Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. I got you covered on all Bbnaija 2020 G's. So reaching us today, Laycon is heartbroken as Erica claims she's only attracted to him mentally even after breaking up with Kid Wire. Bbnaija housemate Laycon seems heartbroken after Erica claimed she's only attracted to him mentally, even after she broke up with Kid Wire. Laycon on several occasions has disclosed how he feels about Erica to her, but the latter seems not to feel the same about him. Kid Wire was a distraction for Laycon and Erica broke up with him, hence Laycon was hoping to get a chance with Erica. But unfortunately, his heart got broken after he quizzed Erica and she only has a mental attraction for him now that she has broken up with Kid Wire. Erica responded by claiming all she feels for him is only mental attraction and nothing else, and that seems to have broken Laycon's heart. Yeah. Okay guys, for those hoping for Laycon and Erica to be a perfect match. You've heard it all. It can't happen. It won't happen. Erica has rejected him. Erica said she's only attracted to Laycon mentally. Okay, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.